I'm Ade Anjubayo, and I'm here to explain the process of designing a PCB layout and a schematic for Arduino Mega 2560. So this is the design workflow we'll be using. We first have to define a problem, select the major components, draw the schematic. We check for the schematic for correction error, that's the electrical rule check. We run and simulate the results. We modify the design where necessary, design the physical footprint of the component, convert the schematic to PCB layout, generate fabricated file, then finally build and document the final results. So this is the schematic for the Arduino Mega 2560. Here all the schematic capture have been done. We have all the circuits being corrected.
You have to run a design rule check to see if everything has been properly connected, having all the grounds connected and the power flags intact. So we run the design rule check. You run that's the ERC. We wait for it to analyze, and it shows that it has 0 errors and 0 here. So we close it, and after running the design error, we close and annotate all the footprints. Make sure all the footprints are physically annotated. We make sure that all the physical footprints have been annotated. So we move here to annotate the footprints, and you can see all the components has its own physical footprints. So from the design workflow, it tells us that after annotating the footprint and running the DERC check, we move straight to PCB layout. So we go to Tools, Update to Schematic. This is the design rule check showing 2 warnings which we are about to solve. So over here we have the PCB layout of the Arduino Mega 3560, and you can see that all has been properly connected, all the routing has been made, and we view the 3D layout from here. So this is the 3D view of the Arduino Mega 3560, and it was designed by Adebayo as written on the board. So let's retrace it. So this, after fabricating the file, this is how the building or the Arduino Maker should look like. So now we are moving to the fabrication of the files. From here we go to Files, we move to Plot. So we create a Gibber file, we run generate drill. That's the Gibber file which has already been generated. It shows down here. We close and we plot. After plotting, it also shows down. Because I've already done them, so it doesn't take much time. You go to run the DCR. So that's the design rule check. For following to here, this brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you for following and thank you for watching.